Greetings, green architecture students. We are on the final stretch of our final project in our time together. This is actually, you should be on day 6 of a 9-day project. So we're well over halfway there. That means you should have quite a bit of your work done. So let's kind of slide through what we've done and where you should be going. We did a little intro that kind of gave you an idea what we're doing. The first days we learned a little bit about the design process, and right now we're on about, I think, step 3 of the design process to put this all together. You should have watched the shipping container PowerPoint, a design brief we should have looked at. Then we started looking at the criteria, what are the requirements that you need to meet for this. And then about a week and a half ago on a Friday, we looked at the shipping container house instructions, which are right there. There's instruction videos for Friday, for Monday, for Tuesday that you should have watched. And you should have organized your 3 different layouts as far as your shipping containers and how you wanted the 4 containers oriented. And then we used a decision matrix a week ago Monday. So on the 23rd, the Monday before Thanksgiving, we should have used the decision matrix to decide which of those to further develop. And then I had given you a short video on Tuesday before Thanksgiving break to give you an idea of what you needed to accomplish for homework over Thanksgiving. And here we are, fast forward to Monday the 30th. We should be starting Sketchup today. So we did some work with Sketchup early in the trimester. We did a bathroom drawing all together. You did a bedroom drawing as a project, and now you'll be drawing your entire shipping container house using SketchUp. The first step is you are watching this video right here, just basically instructions for the final stretch of our project. You'll be using SketchUp software to draw your container home, including things like doors, windows, furniture, fixtures, appliances. You'll add some basic dimensions to that, and room labels, furniture, appliances, so on and so forth. And I've included 4 videos that give you some overview, some guidance, especially this first one you want to watch. That's the intro to SketchUp as far as how to get logged into it again, how to set up and make sure you're using the correct template. And then if you want some help as far as putting in walls and door openings, how to put in doors and windows, and then how to put in the room details or components, each of these videos you can watch to give yourself a refresher. Now, if you feel confident with SketchUp and you don't think you need those, that's great. That's just fine. You don't need to watch them. But I have provided them for you, maybe a little refresher. It has been a few weeks since we've done much with SketchUp, so a little review might not be a bad idea. So what my suggestion is watch a video and then do that step. Once that step's all done, go watch another video, complete that step. So our goal for Monday is to get a good start with that. And here's kind of what a SketchUp drawing should look like when you're all done. I'm not going to ask you to detail every single little dimension. However, I do want overall dimensions, and you can see I've got a little shorter piece here. So I have my overall dimension and the shorter piece there. I give my overall width dimension here, over here, and at the bottom. I've put in all my furniture. You can kind of tell that that's my kitchen. Here's my dining room, bathroom, bedroom, the other bedroom. Got closets in there. I've got doors that are added into everything, labels for rooms, my living room, that type of thing. So kind of gives you an idea of what your final product should look like. So you should get a good start today. And I've given you all of this information here on Monday. You should be looking at this. And you can work as quickly and as hard as you'd like to on this. Bottom line, it is due by 3 o'clock on Thursday. If you wanted to get through a couple videos Monday, a couple videos on Tuesday, and then just add the details on Wednesday, finalize your project on Thursday, that would be great. If I were doing it, that's probably what I would recommend. I don't know that I would go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I might try and get these all done so I'm done with my SketchUp work by Wednesday. So then when we get down to Thursday, Thursday the 3rd, what you should be doing is completing any SketchUp work that's left. You have to take a snippet or a screenshot of that, add it to your final project. Remember, your final project was a shipping container, basically a Google Slides presentation. I'm going to move my picture here, but it gave you instructions on each step, what you should be doing in each slide. So we should be down to, we should have the decision matrix done. We should have a decision matrix explanation. You should also have your final sketch in there. And then once you're done with that, your last one is to put a picture of your CAD model into your presentation, a couple conclusion questions, 4 conclusion questions in the end. All right, so that kind of gives you an overview. I also am asking you to submit your SketchUp file, not just a picture. I know you'll add that to your shipping container presentation, but I want your actual SketchUp file submitted to me. If it's easier for you to share that with me, you may do that as well. So whatever works easiest for you, that's worth about 15 points as well. So I do want to see your actual SketchUp file. Sometimes the pictures are hard to read all the details. So you'll be submitting 2 things to me. One is the shipping container project, which was the Google Slides with all of your work presented into it. And then you'll also be submitting your bouncing around. Sorry here. You'll also be submitting your SketchUp file with me. Again, if you want to just go to Schoology and share that with me, I'm perfectly fine with that. So that is the plan for the week. This is probably the last group video that I think I'll be making. If you have questions, feel free to email me. We can do a Google Meet, things like that. But I've got videos for each of the steps to help you through that. And I'm really looking forward to seeing your work from the initial sketches to the final design, all the way up to your SketchUp drawing. Hope you've had some fun with green architecture and doing some designing and learning a little bit about architecture and housing and the green aspect of housing and how we can better protect our environment. I've enjoyed having you in my class, enjoyed teaching this to you, and hopefully you find some fun, some interesting aspects to that you can use in your future. So I look forward to seeing your work, guys. Thanks for all the hard work, and hope to see you around school. Thanks. Bye now.